all. Kids, we did animals name, animals home, animals young ones. And today we are going to do a very interesting things about animal. That is, animals walk. Animals walk. Kids, which animal sound is this? Yes, you got it. It's a horse. Yes, it's a horse. And kids, do you know how a horse walks? A horse can gallop. Yes, a horse can gallop. Okay, now guess the next animal. Rabbit. Rabbit. Which animal is there? Rabbit. Rabbit. Yes, it's a frog. It's a frog. And how a frog walks? Frog can hop. Hop, hop, hop. Okay, kids, now there is an animal who walk like this, and he has a pouch on his tummy, and he always keep his baby in the pouch. Which animal is this? It's a kangaroo. Yes, it's a kangaroo. A kangaroo do hopping. Hop, hop, hopping. But he always keep its hand like this and do hopping. Oh, a poisonous animal is coming. Can you guess? Which insect is this? It's a snake. Yes, it's a snake. And a snake sound is hiss, hiss. Yes. And kids, do you know a snake walk in a zigzag position? It's a zigzag position. And a snake crawl in a zigzag position. Okay kids, it's time for the next one. Okay, left, right, left, left, right, left. Can you guess? Okay, I'm giving you one more clue. This insect is red and black in color, and it's a very hard working insect. They always observe each other and do marching. Yes, you guessed the right. It's an ant. Yes, ant can march. Ant can march. Kids, let's revise this session once again. Animals walk. A horse can gallop. A horse can gallop. A frog can hop. Hop, hop, hop. A frog can hop. Hop, hop, hop. A kangaroo can hop. Hop, hop, hop. A kangaroo can hop. Hop, hop, hop. Can march. Ants can march. Left, right, left. How a snake walk? A snake can crawl. Zigzag crawl. A snake can crawl. Zigzag crawl. walk